Hey everyone, it's Andy, your online motorcycle coach. Thanks for joining me. Today's lesson is going to be about braking. Braking is a very important part of motorcycle riding. We have to learn how to do it safely and properly. Every time you ride your motorcycle, you're eventually going to have to come to a stop. So the nice thing about the brakes of a motorcycle is they're located on the same side. I say they because there's two brakes on a bike. I'm going to talk about each of them individually for a moment. The first brake is your front brake, and it's found up on the right hand handlebar, and it's this lever right here. The front brake is operated by pulling the lever towards the handle grip in a progressive fashion. So kind of think about squeezing a tennis ball or something like that, okay? It's a progressive, not an on-off situation. The second control is the rear brake, and it's this lever that sticks right out by the right foot. And that's operated simply by pressing downwards on it. Okay, so we're just going to use the toe of our boot and press down on that brake. The interesting thing about brakes is similar to an automobile, we're going to use both brakes at the same time. When you press on your brake pedal on your car, you're deploying front and rear brakes. We're going to do the same, except we're using two different limbs to do it. So think about there being a connection from your right hand all the way down here to your right foot when it comes to braking. We're going to squeeze the front lever and press down on the right foot lever at the same time. And that's going to put braking to both wheels. Braking on a motorcycle, again, similar to an automobile, you're getting the majority of your stopping power from the front. Under normal stopping conditions, you're going to be getting 70% of your stopping from the front of the motorcycle. I'm telling you this because I don't want you to be afraid to use that front brake. Many of us in our younger days may have squeezed the brake on a bicycle a little too hard and gone flying over the edge. That doesn't happen so much on a motorcycle simply because of the suspension and the way it compresses. So when I bring the motorcycle to a stop, my weight and the momentum is moving forward, you're going to see that the front wants to squish down a little bit. It's actually compressing down on the suspension, and it's creating an increased amount of contact patch. That's the rubber that meets the road. That's what's giving us the majority of our stopping power. The rear brake is going to help with stability and that little bit of extra stopping. We should always try to stop in a straight line, keeping our eyes up and forward. I'm going to get into that in a different lesson, but the key things here to remember: 70%, 30% under normal stopping situations, both brakes used at the same time as if they're linked. Okay, eyes forward, stopping in a straight line. This is normal stopping situations. So that's it for braking. Again, if you have any questions, comments, please leave them in the section below. Don't forget to like and share this video. I hope you found it useful. Have yourself a great day.